Kishigo's Premium Brilliant Series Ultimate Reflective Contrast Vest is here to keep you safe and visible, both day and night. Crafted with ultra-cool 100% polyester mesh with a heavy-duty solid bottom front, this vest is designed for cooling and lasting durability. To ensure you stand out on the job, we used our patented Brilliant Plus reflective material for enhanced visibility during low light and nighttime hours. We also incorporated our Brilliant Trim reflective edging and 2-inch wide high-performance reflective material with 3-inch contrasting black mesh for instant differentiation between you and the work zone. As for durability, you won't have to worry, as the zipper front closure has been reinforced with durable webbing. This vest also features a left chest mic tab and radio pocket with retractable clear ID holder, a right chest 2-tier 4-division pocket, 2 lower front kangaroo patch pockets, and an inside lower left tablet pocket with a load-bearing strap. The Brilliant Plus Ultimate Reflective Contrast Vest is available in lime in sizes from medium to 5X.